People play this game to avoid politics.
Shut up! Shut up! We don't fucking care!
So are you saying I'm wrong? I play this game to unwind. Why is everyone being so rude?
Yo, we don't care, bro. Play the game. Shut the fuck up.
Okay, but did you see what his banner was?
Shut up, shut up, shut
Okay,
up,
but
shut up. You're a fucking child, shut up.
Okay, but did you see what my voice is extremely
Nobody likes-
deeper than you, How My Child?
Oh my god, you have attention deficit, bro. Like, shut up, bro.
Did you see his banner though? Yes or
They're
no?
either drunk or off their meds.
Did
No,
you
because
see-
I wasn't dead.
Okay, you don't have to be dead to see the banner.
Yeah, you did.
It's the LGBTQ plus banner. Yeah. If your silence is you actually agreeing with me, then I will.
No, it's because I don't care, bro. There's no reason to respond to you, dude.
If your silence there was that you're agreeing with me, then I will forgive you for being weird.
I
And...
don't know why you're talking. Of
Okay, why do you play this game? Do you play this game to have fun?
course.
Okay, so you also play this game to avoid
Why are you,
politics.
bro? Shut up. No, just no one likes you, dude.
Look how the tone of your voice changed the minute you realized that I'm not the type of guy to be messed with.
Oh my god. You're a troll, bro.